Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi ECO310W. This machine was brought in because it was leaking, and what we discovered is that this valve here had become busted and it was leaking because of that. So we went and replaced it, and here it is now functioning once again. We won't be able to test all of its features because the machine wasn't sent with a basket and we don't have a spare. But we will show you that it's been on for a while and there is no leak. And more evidence of that is water actually coming out of the brew group, and it wasn't before because it was leaking so bad it wouldn't actually even make it here. So, test it. Looking good. Alright, and now we'll do some steam. Give it a moment, heat itself up. There's the water. There you have it. DeLonghi no longer leaking and functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.